Hi boys and girls, please get started by writing your name and today's date up at the top of your paper. Please pause the video and do that now. Now that you have your name at the top, I'm going to read the directions to you. Use squares with no gaps or overlaps to organize the data from the picture. Line up your squares carefully. Look at your chart. It says favorite ice cream flavor. Each square stands for one student. The flavors are vanilla and chocolate. Get started by counting the number of vanilla squares and then drawing the vanilla squares, kind of like they did down here. Be careful with your picture and make sure your squares are all the same size and there are no gaps between and no overlaps. They're lined up just like you see below. When you're done drawing your vanilla, you're going to draw your chocolate squares and you'll get to color those in. And they should be lined up just nicely as you did above. Pause the video and do that now. Number 1. How many more students liked chocolate than liked vanilla? Write the number here. Remember, here you're finding the difference. So you might need to use subtraction or count up to find the difference. Number 2. How many total students were asked about their favorite ice cream flavor? Write the total number of students on the line here. Numbers 3 and 4 go with this data chart. The title says ties on shoes. Velcro. There are different types of shoe ties like Velcro, laces, and no ties. Here the squares are drawn for you for the number of students that voted on the type of shoe ties they have on their shoes. Each square equals one student. Use this chart to answer questions or the directions for 3 and 4. Write a number sentence to show how many total students were asked about their shoes. So you're going to add Velcro plus laces plus no ties. Number 4. Write a number sentence to show how many fewer students have Velcro on their shoes than laces. Here's Velcro, here's laces. Write a number sentence to find out how many fewer have Velcro than laces. Here you're looking for the difference. Pause the video and do that now. When you're done, you can go on to the back. Each student in the class added a sticky note to show his or her favorite kind of pet. Use the graph to answer the questions. The title of the graph, it says favorite pet, and each sticky note equals one student. The students could vote for a dog, a fish, or a cat. They stuck their sticky notes below on which one is their favorite. Use this graph to answer questions 5, 6, and 7. Number 5. How many students chose dogs or cats as their favorite pet? Here you're going to write the total of dogs or cats. Number 6. How many more students chose dogs as their favorite pet than cats? So we're comparing how many more chose dogs than cats. We need to find the difference. So you might have to write a subtraction sentence or count up to find the difference. Write your answer on the line. Number 7. How many more students chose cats than fish? So you'll need to look at the top. How many more chose cats than fish? We want to find the difference. How many more? Write your answer on the line.